Welcome back to Aviation Stories, the channel where we pull back the curtain on the machines that conquer the skies. Today, we are exploring the heart of the aircraft, the engine. It is one of the greatest engineering achievements ever created, because without it, an airplane is nothing more than a beautifully shaped machine standing still on the ground. The engine is what gives an aircraft life, movement, and purpose. Not all aircraft engines are the same. Each one is designed for a different mission, a different speed, and a different kind of flight. Let's start with the turbojet. This is the purest form of jet propulsion. Air enters the engine, is compressed, mixed with fuel, ignited, and then blasted out the back at high speed. That exhaust creates thrust. Turbojets are powerful and simple in concept, and they mark the beginning of the jet age. They're built for speed, but they are also noisy and less fuel efficient than newer designs. Next is the turbofan, the engine that powers most modern passenger airliners. At the front is a massive fan that moves a huge amount of air. Some of that air goes through the engine core, while much of it flows around the core. This bypass air adds thrust, improves fuel economy, and reduces noise. That is why turbofans are the perfect choice for commercial aviation. If you have ever looked out of an airliner window and seen that large spinning fan, you were looking at the engine that carried you across cities, countries, and oceans. Then there is the turboprop. This engine uses a gas turbine core to drive a propeller instead of relying mainly on exhaust thrust. Turboprops are extremely efficient at lower speeds and altitudes, which makes them ideal for regional flights, short runways, and remote destinations. They may not look as dramatic as jet engines, but in the right role, they're incredibly effective. No matter what type, every aircraft engine follows the same basic mission. Take in air, compress it, add fuel, ignite it, and turn that energy into forward motion. But, emphasizing, doing that safely, efficiently, and reliably at 30,000 feet is what makes aviation engineering so extraordinary. Engineers must design these machines to survive extreme heat, enormous pressure, violent vibration, and thousands of hours of operation. Inside an engine, temperatures can rise to levels that would destroy ordinary metal, which is why advanced alloys, cooling systems, and precision manufacturing are essential. And perhaps that is the most amazing part of all. Every takeoff is a reminder that flight is not magic. It is the result of science, design, and human ingenuity working in perfect harmony. Aircraft engines are more than machinery. They're the force that turns human ambition into flight. Thanks for watching Aviation Stories, and we'll see you in the next one.